Hello, today I'll be teaching you a subtopic on conic section called circle. How is circle formed? Let me give you a brief foundation before we move over to what we are meant to do today. Let's say we have a coordinate, our x and y coordinates. Now, suppose the center of the circle is at origin. It means 0, comma 0. This is when the center of the circle is at origin. So we get the radius r. Let's say it's 2. Let's say the radius is 2. So it means the circle will span 2, 2, 2, 2. So when we cut this out, we get our circle. But this is not the case when we have centers to be h and k. Let's say any number. Suppose our center is 1 and 2. So our x-axis we have 1 and our y-axis we have 2. So it meets here. The center is here. The center of the circle is here. And suppose the radius is 2. So we have a circle that will look like this. Why? Now you see the difference between these two circles is this. The center of the circle was at the origin 0, but here the center of the circle has a value which we can say h, k. It can be any value. So now the equation for a cycle with center h, k, it means that without it being 0, without it being at the origin, and radius r, so we have h, k and radius r. When r is greater than 0, mind you, the radius has to be greater than 0, is given as r square equal to x minus h square plus y minus k square. So k minus k square. So this is the equation of circle. So it means the radius of our circle, that's from the center of the circle to any part touching the circumference, is equal to x minus h square, which is the coordinate, the x coordinate, if I may say, and plus y minus k square. So now that we have understood the basics of circle, let's move over to solving questions on circle. How can we get the equations of circle? How can we get the coordinates of a circle? So we have find the center and radius of the circle. This, the first thing to do is you write down the general formula. So we have x minus h squared plus y minus k all squared equal to r. So this is general formula. We are looking for h, k. Find the center is h and k. We're looking for h, k and r. So we have to make this look like this. Then we'll pick our h, pick our k, and we'll pick our r. So the first thing to do is we have x minus 3. It looks like this, x minus h. So you can rewrite it as x minus 3 squared plus. Now, y plus 4 does not so much look like y minus k. So how do we make it look like this? We can say y minus 4 all squared. Now, mind you, minus times minus gives us plus. So it's still the same thing as y plus 4. So, but now what we did is to make it look like this is y minus k. So now we have y minus 4. We now have equal to 36, and 36 is written as 6 square. Mind you, is this r square. So now from here we can get our h, k and r. We have x minus h. Immediately after the negative sign, we have our h. So what's our h here? Our h is 3. H equal to 3. Our k, immediately after the negative sign, is our k. Our k is minus 4. And now what's our r? Our r is not 36. R square is 36. Our r is 6. So we have succeeded in finding the center, the radius of the circle. So we can write it as 3, 4, and the radius equal to 6. So I hope you've learned a lot. Kindly subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.